From the sizzle of a pan to the aromatic blend of spices, this is where culinary magic happens. Join us on this culinary adventure as we uncover the secrets of making perfect chicken tinga. Let's get started. For the poaching liquid, we'll need half an onion, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and of course the chicken. I'm using half chicken thigh and chicken breast. 3 tomatoes with the skin off, 1 for the chicken stock. Let's move into the ingredients for the sauce. You will need a 1/4 teaspoon of pimento allspice, 1 medium onion chopped, and a bay leaf. 1 or 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Chicken bouillon cube or tomato flavored chicken bouillon cube. Either or will work just fine. So, just a few simple ingredients for big flavor. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a flavorful update from our kitchen. Let's cook up some magic together. Add the garlic, the larger pieces of onion, bay leaf, and the skinless tomato to an amount of water that will just cover the chicken. We will chop the other 2 tomatoes for the sauce. Now let's add in the chicken. Add in the chicken tomato bouillon cube or just a chicken bouillon cube. If you don't have either, the tomato and some salt will work just fine. When the water begins to simmer, a lot of protein impurities will come to the surface. Remove this with a fine strainer and let it simmer gently. You can put a lid on it until it's fork tender or the chicken falls apart just like this. This will take at least 30 to 40 minutes depending on your heat. Let's drain the chicken out, separate the vegetables from the chicken and keep the stock. To build up flavor, you can reduce this slightly by keeping it on the stove for another 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and start with a clean pan. Add some oil in and now we work on the sauce. Add in your onions, bay leaf, give it a stir, and then add your chopped garlic. Now add the cumin, then we'll add half of the pimento allspice, the chopped tomatoes. Those were the other 2 tomatoes that remained on the plate. And I'm going to add in the tomato, garlic and onions from the stock that I had strained to that. Now this will add in a lot of that wonderful flavor. The chipotle peppers in adobo. So you can add 1 or 2. I added 1 but later added the other one. It was not too spicy for me. Once that all sauteed, we will add some of that stock we strained. And we're not going to add in all at once. I used 2.5 cups in total to make this sauce. I will freeze the rest of the stock to use for another dish. Adding the liquid in a little at a time helps you to judge the thickness or consistency of the sauce, whereas if you put all the liquid in at once, your sauce will not have any body or a nice thick consistency. Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce can be found at your supermarket in the Mexican aisle. I will also be using some of the adobo sauce that these chilies are bathing in. This will give a nice color and a rich smoky taste to the sauce. Toward the end of cooking, I will add in the oregano. I'm using dried oregano. If you have fresh oregano, Mexican oregano, that will really be wonderful. Now we're ready to blend everything. Once blended, you'll get a lovely, rich and creamy looking sauce like this. I must tell you, there are multiple uses for this chicken tinga, like burritos, nachos. Or we'll just add the chicken in there and coat it well, and it will absorb that lovely, delicious sauce. Other uses like enchiladas in pasta, pizza toppings, sandwiches, even rice bowls. So a few ideas. You can make this ahead, put it in Ziploc bags, keep it in your freezer and pull it out for those weeknights where you need a quick fix of something delicious. So for presentation purposes, I'm going to make an avocado crema. I'm using 1 large avocado, a little cilantro, about 1/4 chopped garlic, some sour cream, seasoned with salt and pepper, and a little bit of water to make this delicious crema for what I'm going to present to you. Don't forget the lime juice. You want to blend this until smooth. Easy as that, and it's done. May I present to you the chicken tinga presented on a tostada. This one has lettuce and sliced avocado. The other one has the crema and sour cream base with the chicken tinga on top. Wonderful contrast of cool sour cream, crispy tostada, and creamy avocado. A whole lot of umami. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching Majid's Kitchen.